Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on a Thursday, January the 28th, 2021. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. We have 2 tectonics, 1 here and over there the second one. Binary number 1, binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Only the 3 stars Sudoku I will solve, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. So 4 out of 8 I will solve those Sudokus. Alright. And this one, the 3 stars, will be number 2236. 36. Alright. And the publisher has changed his strategy. Not all the Sudokus has 25 printed digits. No. The 3 stars is always the 25. I have already counted. The 4 stars, this one, has 24. I've already counted. The 2 stars, this one, has 26. And the 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I will pick. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We see here 5 and the 6 in this big square. So no 5 and the 6 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 is missing. 7 and 8 missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 3 numbers are reserved for the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 5, 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2, 5, 6. These 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 numbers. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the other pair in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8? We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Well. How about the number? These 6 missing numbers in this big square. 6 empty boxes. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the first column. 6 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then those 2 boxes are reserved in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number 3 in this column? 3 in the middle columns, in the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then yeah. How about yes, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. There are 1. No 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Alright. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there. Then. How about the 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 1, so this 1 cannot be the 1. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. Yes. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Alright, keep this in your mind. This big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Yeah. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8 are missing in the middle row. We see here the 4 and the 8, so no 4 and 8 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Other 2 boxes, 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2, 4, and the 9. 2, 4, 9. In the middle column, 2, 4, 9. We see here 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 9 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 7 and 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 4. These 3 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 8 is missing. 5, 8, and 9. 5, 8, and 9. Look, we have a 5 and a 9 there. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row, in this big square for the number 8. 8, 8. All right. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. 3 missing. Number 2. 5. 2, 5, and 7. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers in the first row are the 2, 5, and 7. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 here. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Yes. Okay. Okay. How about the number? Yeah, 9. Yeah. Still the 6 is missing. 6, 6. 7. Let me see. 6 should be there. 6. 1, 3, out of 3, 3, 3. We have a pair. 3 and an 8. Wait. 3 and an 8 in this row. 3 and an 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the 3 and the 8 should be in 2 of those 3 and missing numbers. And we see here 3 and 8. So in this box, no 3 and 8. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. As a pair. That means a 1 digit left. And yes, and I've eliminated the 9. So 1 box left for the 9. This box in this big square are reserved for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 5. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 and a 6 in this row. 5 and a 6 in that row. So in this row, the 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. And then 278, 278. Still cannot fill this yet. 274. Alright. How about the 9 in the first row? 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column, the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 4 and 5. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. 1 number left in the third row for the number 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Alright. Yes, I like this one. 3 Stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku it will be. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.